Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So these coins all in front of me here are the 2008 20-cent coin. Now, there was a mintage on this coin of 132 million. Actually 132 million 0.9, so almost 133 million. So there are plenty of these 2008 coins. Now, there's nothing really interesting about the 2008 20-cent coin other than the variety, which is really tough to find, and it's called the wave gap. Now, if I show you the regular 20-cent coin, which is this one here, so this is the one we find most of the time. This is one that I've just pulled out of circulation. Now, you'll see on this one here, the swirl down the bottom there. If I just grab my pen, I'll show you what I'm talking about. But this swirl here meets up with the platypus. Okay, that's what we normally find. Now, on all these coins I've got on the desk here, they're all wave gaps. So if I just grab one, and you'll find them with different sizing of gaps. So if we look in the same spot, which I'll zoom in a bit, you'll see that there is a gap between the platypus and the wave. So it's really a swirl, but you can see there's a gap between the platypus and the swirl, and that's what makes this coin particularly special. Now you'll see on this one here, even the claws are a little bit unformed, depending on the way you hold them, but certainly not a strong claw on this particular one. We'll have a look at a few more and see what the claws are like and see what the gaps are like. So it's fairly consistent with the claw there, but certainly a nice gap in between. So this is a variety you need to look for if you're not aware of this particular coin. Take a look at each and every 2008 20-cent coin. I don't find them anywhere near as often as what I used to. So these are getting quite tough to find. Here's another one. And you'll see there that there's actually a difference between the two. This one's not touching, but it's a bit stronger, and certainly still got the weak claw on that one. Just pick another one at random. Yep, and there's a definite gap there. So yeah, they're certainly worth a few more dollars. Possibly, well, I have seen them sell for, it all depends on condition, but anywhere up to sort of $7 each. So most of them sort of sell for a couple of dollars each, but in a good grade, you'll certainly be able to get a few dollars for them, and they are getting tougher to find. So if we just grab the two of them here, we'll put them sort of side by side, and you'll see there that that one on the right is touching, and this one on the left, you can clearly see a gap between the platypus and the point of the wave. Alright guys, well if you're not familiar with this particular coin, I hope I've been able to help you, and certainly keep an eye out for these ones. Alright guys, that's enough for today. Look forward to bringing another video to you soon. Thanks for watching.